Mr. Shubham Mahajan, a dynamic entrepreneur and the driving force behind PrepSmart, which has redefined learning through innovation and technology. The second speaker for tonight is Mr. Dilip Ghosh, a prominent Indian film director and producer.
Without further ado, it is my privilege to invite our first guest, Mr. Shubham Mahajan, for his speech. He is the CEO founder of EdTech startup PrepSmart. He was awarded as the Pillar of Maharashtra 2022, Edupreneur of the Year 2022, Entrepreneur of the Year 2023, 40 under 40 brightest business minds in India in a business magazine. He has mentored 50 plus startups from scratch and has always been a serial topper across multiple entrance exams. So the stage is yours. You could, yes.
Am I audible now? So, very good evening to one and all. This is my dream college, and I'm very happy to be on the dais today because years back, when your rival college VJTI, I was an alumni, I'm an alumni to that college. I can still tell you with a lot of pride that I used to come to this canteen to eat good food. Yeah, and to play a lot of sports. And today, while taking a tour around the campus with the kids and the committee members, I saw a lot of sports activity going on, which is really good. I mean, all the science activities and all the academics kept aside, I think ICT has always maintained a aura of always being at par with the activities, and I've always loved that. So kudos to all the committee members and all the students for having such a beautiful event. संवाद होना चाहिए और संवाद किस बारे में होना चाहिए. For that, I think they've gotten me and sir over here. So I'm being given 40 under 40 was very offensive for me because I'm just 30 right now. So the Forbes magazine gave me 40 under 40 brightest businessmen in Asia or something like that. I wrote a letter to them that I'm still 29, I'm not even 30, and you are quoting me 40. All right, so I will just start off my a bit of my Sawad with you guys. I'll not try to bore you. I would make this very productive for you. I'm sure at the end of it, all of you all would want to connect with me and sir. We would keep it that way. The team has worked very hard to get us over here and make this event possible. So, I'll give you a head start about me. I come from a mediocre middle class family which had a lot of educational values. Parents come from, government jobs, defense sector and banking sector. And both the sisters had very good education. One was ENT surgeon, one had done MBA. So naturally, लड़का क्या बनेगा, एक तो इंजीनियर बनेगा नहीं तो डॉक्टर बनेगा. 10th में 95 प्लस आ गया तो IIT की तैयारी तो करनी ही है. कोटा की ट्रेन पकड़ के कोटा चले गए. 2 महीने में वापस भी आ गए भाग के. ठीक है. Somehow I got into Ferguson College for my 11th and 12th, and I can say that I did fairly good and I got a very good rank in CET and in JAA as well during that time, and I had no idea about what engineering is, and that is the scenario with maximum of you. हमारे दोस्त लोगों को, relatives को, cousins को देख के हम लोग आ जाते हैं. But as soon as I went into VJTI, so VJTI was a natural choice for me because a lot of my relatives were studying in VJTI, a lot of cousins were studying over there. So as I started studying in VJTI, second year engineering drawing came into my life. है ना, मैकेनिक्स, इंजीनियरिंग, ड्राइंग. और फिर समझ में आया कि यार ये तो मेरे लिए बना नहीं है, क्योंकि ड्राइंग को डर के ही तो बायोलॉजी लिया नहीं था हमने. So I made up a call to my house saying that yeah, I don't want to do engineering and I've got no simple interest in doing engineering. But my parents simply convinced me that whatever you want to do in life, we will not come in your way. But just complete the degree because you've gotten into a good college after a lot of hard work. है ना, मस्ती करके, बंक करके, जैसे भी करके कंप्लीट करना है, अपनी डिग्री कंप्लीट कर लो, बट कर लो. तो मैंने वो सीरियसली ले ली एडवाइस और मैं बन गया जनरल सेक्रेटरी कॉलेज का. है ना, जनरल सेक्रेटरी, पीपल नो आवर लाइफ इज, जब कॉलेज बंक करना होता है तब एक लेटर बन जाता है, कोई ना कोई बहाना बन जाता है, टीचर का अप्रूवल मिल जाता है. आई डोंट नो अबाउट ICT, बट VJTI में हम लोग वही बहाना यूज़ करते थे और कॉलेज बंक करके मरीन ड्राइव बैठे रहते थे. ठीक है. So yeah, I got through the 4th year of my engineering. 3rd year of my engineering, usually you guys know कि placement होता है, काफ़ी pressure वाला period होता है. I was the head of TPO during that time also. मैं activities में सबसे आगे रहता था. I had this keen interest in being upfront in all the activities in the college. चाहे मुझे engineering आए ना आए, but मैं हर एक activity में आगे रहूँगा. तो एक जापान की फर्म आई थी, उनको प्लेसमेंट से कुछ लेना देना नहीं था, वो जस्ट आईआईटी बॉम्बे से आए थे. दे हैड मोनोपोली ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग स्टील इन जापान, इन टोक्यो. सो मैंने उनको कैंपस का टूर दिलवाया, द हेड, द एमडी एंड हिज सन. And they got so much impressed by me that at the end of the evening snack session in director's cabin, they were like, we want to take this kid to Japan. And my director was looking at me like this. My director knew me very well that I am someone who is not interested in technicals at all. So he came into a dilemma. He said, Shubham, what do you want to do? So I was like, okay, let me think what offer they have on the table, because anyone will get enticed. यार कोई भी tempt हो जाता है, हम लोग humans ही हैं in the end. So the package that they had offered me during that time, I should not quote it, it should be privy, but it was 42 lakhs per annum during that time. All right. So I went home very happily, very confused, and I told my parents that this has happened in the college, and they've offered me to give all sort of assistance in visa, in learning the proficiency of Japanese language, you know, getting through all the necessary citizenship criteria and everything, and settle me down in Japan to, you know, work for their firm. My mom asked me next day, so what are you going to do? So my prominent answer was that obviously I'm going to kick the offer, I'm not going to take it. So my parents went into a shock, and my relatives were like, what the hell is this kid doing? You know, they were in a shell shock. So I will tell you the story behind rejecting this offer. I will not suggest you to do that. All right, I will never suggest you to do that. I did that because मैंने ना उसके पहले 2-3 इंटर्नशिप कर लिए थे. फॉर्चुनेटली मेरे दोनों इंटर्नशिप्स थे एडटेक में. इंटर्नशिप्स में मुझे एक चीज़ पता चल गई थी वेरी क्लियरली, दैट आई एम समवन दैट आई कैन नॉट वर्क अंडर एनीवन. तो मुझसे 42 lakhs दिला दो या 80 lakhs दिला दो, होने नहीं वाला है. खुद का कुछ तो करने वाला हो. ठीक है, 4th ईयर हो गया, पेरेंट्स पूछ रहे यार 4th ईयर हो गया, क्या आइडिया है बिजनेस की बता दो, हम लोग सपोर्ट करते हैं, विल फंड यू ऑल्सो, वट एवर इट इज़ विल हेल्प यू. आई हैड नो एब्सोल्यूट आइडिया इन माई माइंड, वेरी ब्लैंक. ऑल राइट. So after thinking a lot, I took a vacation, you know, I went around India, I traveled a lot. You know, parents were pretty worried also that this kid has passed out, and his you know, friends are already placed in KPMG, Deloitte and whatnot, and they are doing their dream package, and this guy is roaming around India with nothing in his hand. So by the time I returned to India, I came to know that I had already cracked a lot of competitive exams throughout my life. I don't know how many of you are very keen in giving competitive exams, since all of you are bright students. I know that you have cracked CET, JEE and come over here. So I had a very, you know, keen interest in giving Olympiads, Homi Baba, IPM, जो भी एग्ज़ाम आती थी ना, मैं उठा के देता था और वो क्रैक करके बैठ जाता था. वो मेरा आदत था, भले मेरे को 80% है, 75 है, एकेडमिक से मुझे लेना देना नहीं था. तो what I thought was, since I've cracked JEE also, CET also, why not I start training students, because मेरे ना methods बहुत unconventional थे. आज भी अगर मेरे अंडर बच्चे पढ़ते हैं ना, मेरे सामने आप 150 क्वेश्चन ला के रख दो सीईटी के, 130 में ओरली करके देता हूँ, 20 के लिए मैं पेन एंड पेपर यूज़ करता हूँ. दैट्स द वे आई सॉल्व द पेपर. दैट्स क्वालिटी दैट आई एम नॉट ब्रैगिंग, बट दैट इज़ हाउ आई, यू नो, सॉल्व पेपर्स. एंड दैट वाज समथिंग आई थॉट कि मैं उसको यूटिलाइज कर सकता हूँ इन टू समथिंग बिग. सो आई स्टार्टेड वेरी स्मॉल. सो आई गेव अ कंसल्टेंसी टू बाइजूस, विच इज़ नाउ गॉन. Okay. So I, you know, gave a consultancy to Byju's in Bangalore. I worked very closely with the head team, with the CXOs. You know, I saw how they are working, कैसे build होता है EdTech, and then I came back to Mumbai and I, you know, started building my own EdTech. Many people told me there's already Alan, there is already Pace, there's already Akash. There are big shot, you know, EdTechs that are there who will eat you like anything. What will you do? I started, and the first year of my, you know, when I started my operations, we did give a very good result. So, you know, मेरे पास कुछ ज़्यादा बच्चे नहीं थे. I had a very few students in my hand. But what we made sure was, मेरा पूरा life and मेरी पूरा, you know, ज़िंदगी मैं उन पे लगा दूंगा. So I made sure my day and night went behind those students, because if I am training 30 students, all 30 students cannot go to IIT. This is a fact. And as a teacher, you have to train students mentally to be prepared for every, you know, पॉसिबल सिनेरियो. और मेरा वो काम था कि बच्चा तू आज IIT नहीं भी गया, NIT नहीं भी गया, IIIT नहीं भी गया, VJTI ICT नहीं भी गया, तो तू कुछ और भी कर सकता है ज़िंदगी में. And this is what, you know, led to building a sort of a protocol or a, you know, culture in my edtech. And that is how we have come till here today. I have been training 1 lakh plus students till now. You know, I am not even 30. You know, I'll be turning 30 now. I've trained 30 plus students. I've cracked already JEE, and then I had a knack to crack CAT. सो कैट एग्ज़ाम काफ़ी बच्चे थर्ड ईयर फोर्थ ईयर यहाँ से प्रिपेयर करते होंगे MBA के लिए, बराबर. सो मेरा एक ड्रीम था कि IIM अहमदाबाद या JBIMS में पढ़ के आना है. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट ईयर ऑफ माई प्रिपरेशन आई गॉट समवॉट 98, एंड एज अ मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट आपको अब भी सच्चाई बता देता हूँ कि इंजीनियरिंग जनरल कैंडिडेट इज किक्ड ऑफ लाइक एनीथिंग इन कैट. It's a fact. All right, they do not want engineering general candidates. So I was kicked off. But second year of my preparation, I got 99.81 percentile, and I had calls from Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta, Shillong, जो भी नाम ले लो, इंदौर. बस एक कोई तो IIM था जो यू नो एकेडमिक्स पे बहुत फोकस करता था, और मेरा इंजीनियरिंग का एकेडमिक्स ऑलरेडी यू कैन गेस हाउ इट वाज, तो दे डिड नॉट कॉल मी. तो JBIMS में ना मेरा बार बार सिलेक्शन होता था और मैं एडमिशन नहीं लेता था, क्योंकि तब तक मेरा एडटेक काफ़ी यू नो अच्छे ट्रैक पे आ गया था. तो एक दिन मुझे डायरेक्टर का फ़ोन आया. बोले यार शुभम, हर साल है ना तेरा नाम लिस्ट में आता है टॉप 10 में, और तू एडमिशन नहीं लेता है. तो इज दिस एन इंसल्ट टू अस और यू आर जस्ट प्लेइंग विद द सिस्टम? So, you know, I told her that I am giving the exam just for the experience, because I am also training my kids to get into this college. She was shocked. She was, what is your age? I'm like 27. Are you training 40-year-olds and 35-year-old to get into JBIMS? I said, yes, I have already have a lot of people past 2 batches in your this thing who are doing management in marketing, finance, operations and whatnot. She was like, why you not taking admission? I said, because मुझे एक फंडा समझ में आ गया कि बिजनेस करने का है तो बस रेवेन्यू आना चाहिए, एक्सपेंसेस होने चाहिए, प्रॉफिट आ जाता है. मेरे को MBA करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है अभी. I have learned the funda. You know, and from that part I understood the blueprint of doing business, and that is the main agenda that I'll talk over here for you guys. Many of you will be inclined to take placements. That is a very good thing. I do not, you know, simply motivate you कि placement छोड़ दो, सब कुछ छोड़ छाड़ के अपना business खोलो. That is a very stupid idea. You know, बहुत ज़्यादा passion होना चाहिए, बहुत ज़्यादा you know crazy you know this thing होना चाहिए, अपने आप में belief होना चाहिए, और parents का एक support होना चाहिए. अगर ये सब नहीं है तो you don't get demotivated. Go somewhere, get a job, थोड़ा सेविंग जमा कर लो, एक्सपीरियंस जमा कर लो. कॉर्पोरेट में काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस आता है, हाउ थिंग्स वर्क एंड हाउ थिंग्स डू नॉट वर्क, एंड देन probably develop your own idea. If you have an idea right now, very good. If you do not have an idea, don't worry. Even I did not have an idea. अभी आप लोगों को इन्होंने मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन दिया है, ठीक है. They have missed out on a lot of things actually. I have been awarded 4th highest civilian award by Draupadi Murmu, our President of India, last year in 2023. for my contribution into startups. So now you will say यार एडटेक में एक छोटा सा एडटेक खड़ा कर दिया, इसको क्यों ये अवार्ड दिया? ये तो मेरे पेरेंट्स ने भी पूछ लिया था कि ऐसा क्या किया है कि तेरे को प्रेसिडेंट ने बुला लिया दिल्ली में. So I am not only involved in edtech, but I am also involved in food. I am also involved in fashion, fast fashion. You guys must be knowing Soul Store, right? So me with my MBA students have developed a company called Lazy Heads, where we are doing D2C with respect to all the aesthetic t-shirts. Both an aesthetic t-shirt. Today I am very lazy, you know. Today I don't want to do anything. You know, all those types of printed t-shirts and hoodies and, you know, quads and all, we are dealing with that. So we are in the, you know, pilot phase right now. और वो मेरे MBA students का idea था, उन्होंने मेरे पास लेके आए, मैंने उसको incorporate करवा के दिया. Today they are at the start. We are a couple of months into the start of the business, and they are valued at around about 45 CR. All right, MBA students who have not even entered into MBA colleges just cleared CAT. कल परसों CAT का result आया, I think so. They have cleared CAT just day before yesterday. All right, my other startup is into Fox Nuts Makhana, if you guys know, which is into healthy snacks. Those who don't know, Makhana is a very healthy snacks. It's a very good alternative to your popcorns and other, you know, chips and all, which is not very healthy. So once I was traveling in a flight, it was a very short flight to Goa, है ना, 31st December. तो गोवा की शॉर्ट फ्लाइट थी और मुझे काफ़ी भूख लगी थी बिकॉज मॉर्निंग फ्लाइट थी. तो आई आस्क्ड द अटेंडेंट टू गिव मी समथिंग टू ईट बिकॉज आई वाज फीलिंग डिजी. द अटेंडेंट टोल्ड मी दैट बिकॉज इट्स अ शॉर्ट फ्लाइट आपको खाने को कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, यू नो, आप लैंड होके यू कैन ईट. बट आई वाज फीलिंग डिजी, तो आई रिक्वेस्टेड देम एंड शी बॉट मी अ पैकेट ऑफ मखाना. दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एनकाउंटर्ड मखाना फॉक्स नट्स, and it was very tasty. And I happened to see the, you know, the ingredients and the properties of it's what it's made up of, and it's a superfood. It's got a GI tag. So as soon as I landed in Goa, I had so curiosity कि I had no time in going outside the airport. I sat on the airport and started googling what this foxnut is. I understood कि इसका production बस बिहार में होता है. Immediately I struck this thing that this is a good business idea because ये बिहार के बाहर बनता नहीं है. और इंडिया में इसके the rates are as good as 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, and there are no good competitors in India. एंड इनफैक्ट शार्क टैंक यूएस में दिस हैज़ बीन फीचर्ड, और वहाँ की लड़की बिहार से मंगाती है, और यार हम लोग इंडियंस हमको पता नहीं है यहाँ पे कि फॉक्सनट इज़ अ बिग थिंग और यहाँ पे. सो आई टुक 6 months टू डू द R&D. मैंने खुद मार्केट में जाके फ्लेवरिंग वगैरह सब किया, पैकेजिंग कैसे होता है, कितना एयर होना चाहिए, एवरीथिंग आई लर्न फ्रॉम द स्क्रैच. फूड एंड टेक्नोलॉजी पीपल, यू मस्ट बी नोइंग इट, यू हैव टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, एंड आई कम फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट डिग्री. तो आई प्रैक्टिकली डिड फूड एंड टेक्नोलॉजी का डिग्री बैठ के पूरा घूम के, एंड लॉजिस्टिक्स ऑल्सो. So I understood that there is a very big business in this particular sector, and I am already into it, received good investment also, and we are going to go into retail like Zepto, Blinkit, Amazon and Flipkart and all sorts of retail markets soon, within a month I think so, with all sorts of flavor like peri peri, cream and onion and everything. Now why am I telling you this is that I could have easily stopped on EdTech. मेरा EdTech का वैल्यूएशन काफ़ी अच्छा है, we are doing very good. मैं जितना एक्सपांड करूँगा उतना बढ़ते जाएगा पैसा, सिंपल एज दैट. मुझे नहीं करना है एक्सपांड, बिकॉज वी सिंपली नो द आइडिया अबाउट फूड एंड एजुकेशन कि आप जितना फास्ट एक्सपांड करोगे उतना जल्दी डिटोरिएट होता है क्वालिटी. यू हैव क्लासिक एग्जाम्पल्स, डोंट वांट टू टेक नेम्स बट आई स्टिल टेक नेम टाइम क्लासेस, चाटे क्लासेस, very classic examples I'm taking. So I don't want to go very fast. But as a matter of fact, as a person with a age group of 25 to 40, in fact you also 20 to 40, हमारा body काफ़ी productive होता है. Make use of it. Later on you don't know how productive you will be. ये productive time में अपने दिमाग का इस्तेमाल करो. Do as many things as you can. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि overload कर लो खुद को. Do as many things as you can. For example, एक IIT बॉम्बे का लड़का है, उसने मुझे अप्रोच किया था. He is my student only. He's passed out of me only. So he has developed a device out of Dish TV का वो क्या होता है आपका होता है ना, क्या बोलते हैं इसको, एंटीना. उस पे से उसने एक डिवाइस बनाया हुआ है जिससे कि जो भी प्लेन ऊपर से जाता है हमारा, उसका कम्युनिकेशन वो हैक करता है, एंड वी कैन टॉक विद द पायलट एंड वी कैन लिसन टू पायलट ऑल्सो व्हाट इज टॉकिंग. And we had literally in front of VJTI professors, we had literally hacked into the Air Force of India. So this technology now we have sent to DRDO, and he is working very closely with DRDO in developing drone technology or something. So we are kind of converting this into some sort of a commercial idea, and also a defense idea somewhat, which will help defense. So I want to take this platform specifically to urge you guys, if you have any particular idea in mind या idea नहीं भी है mind में, you can any day approach me. For example, Anush is sitting over here. Anush, if you can stand. He is a first year student. He is my student. Okay. He's got brilliant ideas about startups. Brilliant ideas. Every single day he will come to me. रात को 12 बजे मुझे कॉल करेगा, सर मुझे ना ये आइडिया आया, हाउ कैन यू हेल्प मी, व्हाट वी कैन डू, एंड वी यूज टू वर्क ऑन द सेम. एंड एज अ मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट, जब हमारा प्रेस रिलीज था मखाना के बिजनेस के बारे में, द प्रेस ABP वगैरह इन सब लोगों ने हमें बुलाया था, तब ही हैड अकम्पनीड मी, क्योंकि तब तक ICT का एडमिशन हुआ नहीं था. So he has seen a lot of startup culture right from 11th, 12th standard. So he is also working on a startup which is very privy right now. I would not reveal the idea, but I'm working with him on developing it. And by God's grace, hopefully he'll do good by the end of he passes out from here and be a very good alumni to your institute. So I request, yeah, you can sit. I request all of y'all. I mean, all of y'all are kids only. Many of y'all, I can see the faces are passed out from my institute. VJTI, ICT is a home ground for us. So please approach me. कुछ भी डाउट रहेगा ना आपको स्टार्टअप्स के बारे में. फंडिंग तो बोलो मत यार, फंडिंग का पैसा बहुत पड़ा है इंडिया में. फंडिंग इज़ अ सेकेंडरी थिंग. पहले बात तो आपका आइडिया कितना अच्छा है, आप में डेडिकेशन कितना अच्छा है, एंड सेकेंड थिंग ना, वो चमक धमक के पीछे मत भागो कि मैं एक स्टार्टअप चालू करूँगा, मैं फंडिंग उठाऊंगा, फिर मेरा एक बड़ा सा ऑफिस होगा, फिर जहाँ पे मैं 5 रुपये की चाय पीता था वहाँ पे 500 रुपये का स्टारबक्स का कॉफ़ी पीऊँगा. दिस विल ऑल बर्न आउट. ठीक है. दिस इज़ वाई स्टार्टअप्स इन इंडिया, यूनिकॉर्न्स इन इंडिया आर स्टिल नॉट प्रॉफिटिंग. मेरा एक ही फंड है, अगर मैं कोई भी बिजनेस या सर्विस चालू कर रहा हूँ, फर्स्ट डे से मेरा प्रॉफिट होना चाहिए. अगर आई एम नॉट मेकिंग प्रॉफिट फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट डे, देन समथिंग इज रॉन्ग विथ माई प्रोडक्ट और माई सर्विस. एज सिंपल एज दैट. वेरी सिंपल स्ट्रैटेजी. ठीक है, तो आई डोंट नीड टू डिपेंड ऑन एनी इन्वेस्टर, आई डोंट नीड टू डिपेंड ऑन एनी वन एल्स, और आई डोंट नीड टू बर्न माई कैश वेरी इर्रेशनली. सो बैंगलोर कल्चर, इफ़ यू गाइज नो, काफ़ी आपको डरा के रखा है कि यार स्टार्टअप 1% ही अच्छे होते हैं, 99% फेल होते हैं. वाई डज दिस हैपन? Because of the Bangalore model that funds are very easily available. Funds is not the issue. The right kind of mentorship is the issue. There should be someone who should be holding your hand and should be hand holding you, this is wrong, this is right. और आपको थोड़ा सा एक आईना दिखाने वाला कोई तो चाहिए जिसका एक्सपीरियंस है. In that way you can really do good in whatever idea you have. और मैं एक और चीज़ लास्ट चीज़ बोलना चाहूँगा कि ये भी चीज़ बोली जाती है शार्क टैंक इंडिया में कि कुछ डिफरेंट लेके आओ, कुछ अलग लेके आओ. मैंने एडटेक चालू किया, आपको लगता है मैंने कुछ अलग किया? मतलब मेरे कुछ असूल अलग होंगे, कुछ प्रोटोकॉल्स अलग होंगे, बट इज दिस समथिंग डिफरेंट दैट आई डिड? It was already something that Alan is doing, and 1001 institutes in Kota are doing, and Mumbai also, a lot of institutes are doing. We're not doing something different. Still I came into it and I'm doing a very good revenue. Alright, still I got into Makhana business, we are still doing very good. As a matter of fact, Sold Store का revenue आप लोगों को पता होगा कितना अच्छा है. Snitch, how many of you use Snitch? How many of you use Sold Store? Lot of hands. तो इतना कंपटीशन होने के बाद भी मैंने चालू कर दिया टी शर्ट ब्रांड, फिर भी वी आर डूइंग गुड. सो इंडिया का एक ही एडवांटेज है कि इंडिया का पॉपुलेशन इज़ वेरी बिग. टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ इट. इंडियाज पॉपुलेशन इज़ वेरी बिग. डोंट इम्पोर्ट एनीथिंग. यहाँ पे बनाओ मेड इन इंडिया एंड सेल इन इंडिया. एंड सबसे बड़ी बात, डोंट बी अफ्रेड और शेम्ड ऑफ सेलिंग एनीथिंग. सेलिंग इज़ द बिगेस्ट क्वालिटी और स्किल सेट दैट यू कैन हैव. लेट्स सपोज यू गाइज आर केमिकल इंजीनियर्स, कल जाके आपने कुछ इनोवेशन कर दिया, कुछ you find out something that is very innovative. Unless and until you go and pitch it to a lot of people, you are not going to get the recognition for it. It's a struggle. It's not a very easy way out. Even PhD people, getting recognition is not that easy. You have to struggle a lot. So you have to sell the product. You have to convince the सामने वाला person कि why it's good and how it's good. Alright, so that dedication and that अगर zeal तुम में है, तो you guys approach me. I am in touch with most of the government people to get you whatever licenses you want. Startup India, Stand Up India license, whatever recognition you want for obviously good purpose and good motto. I'll be always be there to help you via the committee members or through Anush or through anyone over here from eCell. They are doing a really good job. I've been following them since past 2 weeks and their pages also. Very good work for a chemical institute, really. So give a big hand for him. As a matter of fact, you won't believe that 5 days ago I was sitting in an ICU. I was sleeping in an ICU. I was not sitting in an ICU because I was not well. Committee members were pretty worried whether I'll be able to make it or not. But अगर एक entrepreneur time पे आके अपना speech दे नहीं सकता है तो वो क्या ही entrepreneur कहलाएगा? That should be the motivation that you should have. So just last thing, academics पे ध्यान दो, but also have something passive in your mind that would always help you in the long term. Alright, and if you need any help whatsoever, any help, personal help, professional help, whatever help you want, not only my institute students, anyone from ICT can come and approach me freely. My number is available for free. You can take it from Chirag, you can take it from anyone, you can take it from Anush. If you don't follow me on Instagram, मेरा Instagram काफ़ी open और काफ़ी public है, मेरी पूरी life पड़ी हुई है Instagram पे, Shubhampreneur18. You can just type, you can find me, you can follow me, and I'll even DM you back. All right, that's it. Anything you wanna ask me? Later? Okay, fine, good. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for your inspiring words, sharing us about your college life. We surely do relate to the engineering drawing part, and also guiding us about the